Best buys. Single buys and multi-buys. Is there a discount? Single buys. When you go to the shops, you'll find that some items are different prices. Some products, such as cans of soft drink, packets of biscuits and muesli bars, will have several items in the box. However, the price on the shelf is the total cost. How can we work out the cost of each individual item? Single buys. In order to work out how much one item costs, we have to divide the total cost by how many items are in the packet. For example, the picture on the left shows a multi-pack of Snickers bars. We can see that it tells us it has 4 bars. The total cost is $4.60. How much does each bar cost? Here we have the example from before. The individual cost is going to be equal to the total cost divided by the number of items. So our multi-pack of Snickers has 4 bars and it costs $4.60. So we take the total cost, which is $4.60, and we divide it by 4 because there are 4 bars. That equals $1.15. So therefore we can work out that each Snickers bar costs $1.15. Multi-buys. Sometimes we go to the shops and we get a discount when we have a multi-buy. A multi-buy is where you buy several of one item. You may or may not get a discount. For example, sometimes if you buy 2 packets of chips instead of 1, it will cost you less per packet. How can we work out the saving? Multi-buy. In order to work out the cost of one item, we divide the total amount by the number of items. So for example, the picture on the left shows a multi-pack of Maggi 2-minute noodles and a single pack of the same flavour. The multi-pack has 12 single packets inside it, and its total cost is $9.60. The single pack has 1 single packet inside, and its total cost is 90 cents. Now what we want to work out is, what is the cost per packet for the multi-pack? And if you were going to save money, how much money would you save? We can work this out using a formula. The individual cost is equal to the total cost divided by the number of items. So for example, the multi-pack of 2-minute noodles costs $9.60 and there are 12 packets. So we do $9.60 divided by 12, we find that each packet is worth 80 cents. The single pack has a cost of 90 cents per item. 80 cents is cheaper, so we can see that the multi-pack is cheaper than the individual packet, and it's cheaper by 10 cents per item. In summary, in order to work out how much one item costs, we have to divide the total cost by how many there are in each packet. Sometimes we get a discount when we have a multi-buy. We need to work out the cost of one item by dividing the total amount by the number of items. We can then compare it to the cost of one item.